Hey everyone, welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. I am not doing a Feature Friday today. As you might have watched my last Feature Friday video, I'm going to start doing those once a month right now for a while, maybe at least through the summer. And so last Friday I featured Done by Dorothy, and I did this little file folder project of hers. So if you have not checked out that video on my channel from last week's Feature Friday, please go check that out and see how you can support Dorothy at Done by Dorothy. So this was the project I had done. Let me see, that went back here. Oh, it was an altered file folder. That's what she called it, but it's a file folder journal. Let me see, and that one back there. Sorry, yeah, things are still taken apart from when I showed it to you the last time. Anyway, get to the point, Dawn. That was last week's Feature Friday, and as promised, I said I would do a giveaway and give this away if Dorothy hit 1,250 subscribers. And I checked earlier today, and no, she hasn't hit 1,250. That's okay. I'm still going to give this away because I think, if I remember correctly on what I saw earlier, she was at 1,150. So only 100 away from our goal. So that was a great job, everybody, helping support Dorothy's channel. I think she gained, golly, I don't know, like 300 subscribers, 300 plus subscribers in that amount of time. So I did the drawing, and the name I drew for this was Valeri 4561. So if you will get in touch with me, Valeri, I will send this out to you this coming up week. Valeri 4561. So yeah, private message me through Instagram, Etsy, Facebook, whatever, and get me your address and I'll get that sent out to you. And then a real quick announcement. Sunday, 5 o'clock Eastern US time, that's New York time, this coming up Sunday, which I don't even know the date today. I think today is today's May 1st, I believe. So today's May 1st on Friday, so whatever, that'd be the 3rd of May, Sunday. I'm doing the live auction. So there are 3 other videos that I put out today where I'm showing you guys what I have in the auction. I have a journal, soft cover journal. I have a little bee project. I have this bee journal that's going in, and there are 3 hardcover Edith Holden journals that are all going in the auction on Sunday, as well as a small handful of other smaller projects, kind of like this one. So be sure to join me for that. Valeri, get with me. Congratulations on winning that. Congratulations, Dorothy, on the growth of your channel. And I will see you all very, very soon. Bye. Have a great weekend. Love you all. Bye-bye.